Alright, so today we're working on another project here at Shalom Auto and Body. We have the Scion FRS. You've seen it in previous builds. It got rebuilt, the whole front end on it. But now we're going to do something with the suspension and throw some new shoes and some grip on there from Toyo and Raceland. And we're going to have Daniel here because this is ultimately his favorite car that he likes to work on. So he's going to tell us what we're going to do with this car.
Yeah, so basically, what did I buy these?
Clark, remember.
Alright, so we got some Raceland Coilovers for this build. They're a very budget-friendly option, but still come with a lifetime warranty. They do have camber adjustment as well as the height adjustment, and it comes with that great red color that matches the vehicle. So, in the kit, it'll include all the way around, including tools for the height adjustment, and also a little treat on top. It comes with adjustable sway bar links as well. So if you're dropping it a lot, you don't have to get custom links. It'll come with the kit. So, and as for the tires, we went with some Toyos. Can't go wrong with those. We chose the Extensa HP2s. They are much more budget friendly, but they do still have a long life period and very grippy still. So let's get it. Alright, we're on the front shock that we're going to start with. First you got to take the clips off of the shock. This is for the wheel speed sensor. Make sure you get that off. Next I went ahead and took off the nut that's on the sway bar link, just so we have some play. We get that shock out. Now the two things left is just these two nuts off of these two bolts, and that'll come free. And then after that we'll move to the top. We're going to leave that one on there so it's easier for the bottom one to come out. This one's got different size nuts and bolts because before they did the shocks, I put some camber bolts on there. So, we're going to work with what we got. Camber bolts are very tight. Camber bolts. We don't need those. I'm gonna leave this one in here too, so that way when I undo the top, it won't just fall out on me. Oh, sway bars able to pop out now. Caliper brake line is also attached to the strut. It's gonna be a little 12mm. Now we can go up.
Doing this by himself.
Super big.
Now he owns exotic exotic car show. Like he sells just exotics. So this is how it started. We just bought crash go-kart cars.
Alright, so we did the nuts up top. Now we just have one nut here. Slide the bolt out. And lower the control arm and take the shock right out. Yippee! You want to put it in with these two in the back. This in the front, that way the R, you're standing on the side part, you're facing towards you. Just spins freely, so that's rolling out kind of really. Wow.
This is the struggles that he has while working with us on a daily. It's touching.
Rub-a-dub-a-dub-dub. Barely.
Wow! Hold up. Dude, what? It clears. Alright, that's actually better. That's good.
That fitment's beautiful.
Yeah, that fits good.
But I don't know if that's drivable beautiful. That is super tight. Super tight. Oh my god.
Blooper! Cut!
No.
Cut!